Hi, it's Charles from PrivateBox. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to set up automatic scanning rules in your account. To start with, I'll log in to the PrivateBox account and we'll arrive at the inbox. You want to click on your name in the top right hand corner to show the menu here, and you can select any of these first four options to get through to the settings. So folders, companies, people, and mailbox will all take you through to the settings, and we want to click on rules. Um, and so here are all the rules for how your mail is treated when it comes into your PrivateBox account. So here we have two companies and one person receiving mail at this PrivateBox account. What I want to do to start with is have most of the mail coming into one folder. So I'm going to change um, that mail for Acme Limited to come into the catch-all folder. And then I'm going to set up automatic scanning rules on the catch-all folder. So I'm going to create a new rule here. And once mail is filed under the catch-all folder, I want it to be scanned. And that is how you set up automatic scanning rules for your account. All of our plans include some free automatic scans each month. And so this is how you take advantage of getting those free scans. Now, in addition to having your mail scanned, you can also have an email to yourself, and you can also have the physical mail destroyed if you want. So I'll show you really quickly how to do that. Um, so what we want to choose is once mail is scanned for the catch-all folder, then we want to have it emailed. And so we'll just have this stuff emailed to the office here. Cool. And then if we don't want to hold on to the physical mail, so for example, you've got your bank statements and maybe rates or whatever is coming through, and you don't really need the physical mail, then what you can do is once it's scanned for the catch-all folder, auto destroy. Now, just a quick note about that auto destroy. Our mail operators do have some common sense with that. So they're not going to destroy, maybe your driver's license or a new credit card or something like that, which may come through. We will send you a quick note and say, hey, do you want to hold on to this? In addition, we do have a 7-day stand down. So you have 7 days to get in contact with us to let us know you don't want something destroyed. So that's a really quick video on how to set up the automatic scanning rules and other automatic rules on your PrivateBox account.